Good morning. I'm back with it again. I got all that, I turned off the camera, started putting stuff away, and then realized I had this meat tray full of stuff that I haven't put away yet. So I'm gonna work on that today, but I sorted through those cards. I kept this many, and my friend said she'd take these because she still makes cards. And so I'm giving her these and these two sheets that I never bothered to cut up at all. So I think she'll be able to use those. Okay, I still have two trays that I haven't finished emptying because I thought, oh, I probably still have more of those kind of things in here. So I did get these emptied and lots of stuff put away. But then I realized I still had these, so I'm gonna go at it again. Okay, and this is a metal embellishment. Here's one of the swap items. Oh, I have these that I'll probably just put them in a little envelope. I know I have some here someplace. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna put like these in because I will still use them. I'll just put them with my gems. I just have, you know, these smaller pieces now, but I know I did use some as small pieces. And then I still have those things. I don't know what I even had. Oh, I think this was on here. So I'm gonna keep that together. Is that what it says? Yep, metal message. And I have these little cards. I guess I'll just put it with that. Here's an swap embellishment. Here's a white piece of paper. Oh, and I didn't bring my trash thing back. Okay, and then I have like these. They're like ribbon slides, but they're cardboard, or I guess fancy word for it, cardboard is chipboard. I have another snowflake, and this I took off a card because I think I might be able to use that. So I'm gonna stick that. I still have my little tray. I brought my little tray back because some of the things I am putting back in there. Okay, and that's to cut up. I have these that I need to put away, and they go actually in the same place as that. Oh, these were things that Alex had rubber stamped when she was here. I made some of these. She rubber stamped. She loved this pink paper, and so I did some as tags. So I'll just put the tags someplace, but I'm gonna save hers because I think she might want them. She made this. She was really into doing like 3 colors, and then she actually started masking because she was having a hard time getting all 3 colors on there without and having them all there. So that was pretty cute that she was masking. So this is one that it's like she couldn't get them to touch without them overlapping, and she knew she wasn't supposed to do that. So she started masking. So that, I thought that was really neat of her. Okay, so I'm gonna put these to cut out. This is just scrap piece of paper. Here's some tags. We got a bunch of tags out because we were stamping on them. And I know she did some, I did some. But I'll just take them and see what she wants. Like she made this too. So I'll just put them in her pile and see what she wants out of them. This was the first thing she did, 2 colors. I thought that was really cute. And then she did this one. She was pretty good at lining them up. I would have to say there's no way that I would be lining them up. And, you know, not good like she did. And then these are some embellishments from the swaps. Oh, and Ginger made this. Isn't this adorable? I just love it. And I was going to use it one day and it wouldn't fit on with my all the pictures I had. Okay, and then these, actually these will go in the tags. Then I have envelopes and little those little things. And then, do I have my thing over here? Yes. The little arrows, and I showed how to make those. And if I remember, I'll put that down below. I know there was something I was supposed to put on the last one I did, and do you think I remember that? Oh, here's another one of those tags that says pantry on it. So I thought, oh, that'd be cute. Another tag. Oh, I don't even know how come these are out. I have not done a graduation page at all. Okay, or somebody playing pool. I don't know why those things are out. And here is just reinforcers. Here's some titles. And I don't know where I even want them. And these were some little things I was cutting out. I don't know, some of the things, it's like you wonder how they even ended up in your stuff. It's like, okay, where is it? And I don't even know how come I have hearts out. Why are these things out? Like little girl dressed up. Okay, I have a butterfly. Oh, and I can tell this will be thrilling. Okay, and I have like partial letters. Do I actually have pictures? No. This is little scraps. Oh my gosh. No wonder I didn't think, no wonder it wasn't so painful yesterday. It's like I didn't really finish. Here I've got those I could cut out. And I've got some mulberry paper. I do want those little scraps. Oh, and I do use snaps sometimes, almost like enamel dots, because I think they're cute, like on a sewing page. Oh, here's a sucker. I can't believe I still have this. I mean, this, I took this out so long ago. What is it still doing out? You can tell I don't do this very often. Do any of us like to do this? Okay, here's more tags. Here's another one of these. Okay, and that, what else do I have? Oh, look at what I have, a domino. Actually, I'd happily glue it on a page if it worked. And I don't know what this is, but it looks like an oar, and I know that's why it's in my stuff. Okay, and a you are here thing. I think this is trash. Okay, and these things, oh, it's for knitting. See these things, I don't know why they're out here. And I have needles. And what did I say for sewing? Maybe I was going to do a sewing page. I don't know. Oh, this I was making little rulers, and I think I didn't finish with them. Here I have gold stars. Oh, some of these are from when I made embellishments, and I haven't made embellishments since, oh my gosh, I don't know, a long time. A long time. Okay, these are little scraps I might want. Huh. Oh, these actually come in with photo paper, and I don't know why I put them there. I think I thought they might not be sticky and I could stick something onto them. So maybe I'll save them a little. I just saved 4 of them. I have a whole bunch, of course. Okay. It's a little blue star. Huh. Oh, this is a date of something. I hope I remembered to write it on the photo. Somebody else do that? Make little notes and then hope you put the dates on things. Here's more wax paper. Here's more little things in here. This is all the stuff I love to find. Not. Okay, and this is Christmas and other things. That one, I don't even know where it came from. Okay, and these are other little embellishments I was making. And is this the second one of these I found today, or is it just the one I put in here earlier? Okay, and I got lots of baggies here. And now I pull these out all the time and still forget to use them, which is very annoying to me. And this is an envelope. It's really sparkly. I don't know if I'll save that or not. Here is just some little bags. Oh, this said Breckenridge on it, and it was a button holder. I don't know. Some of this stuff is like from vacation, things that I went to. So I'm saving these, but usually I end up scrapbooking the day and then end up throwing this stuff away later because like, oh, I forgot to use that. See, like these, I got one for each of the kids after we moved here. More words, so I do have a spot for that. Oh, this needs to be with that, I think. And here's little envelopes, and so that needs to be here because that's where I'll be putting that away. Here's tags. And here's the real tags. These are all little tags. Now big tags. My daughter gave me a bunch of stuff because she wasn't scrapbooking. And since I was scrapbooking the kids, she gave me all her stuff. Okay, and these are more envelope type things. Go there. Another tag. Little tiny tag. Oh, Alex made that, so I'll put that there. I think I might be to the end of these little things. I want to know if you guys have all this stuff or if it's just ridiculous. I feel like it's ridiculous. Oh, here's some fabric tags. Here's more words. And I have these things. I think I'll put them in here because that's where I had them before. I still haven't used any of them. Well, not lately anyhow. There's just a piece of cardstock. Oh, here's my pink fresh words. I like those. Need to put those where I use them because that way I don't have to think of words because that's always difficult for me. Oh, look at all this stuff that I have to deal with when I get to the art room with it. Okay, here's more chipboard, and that's what I did not put away yesterday. So here's some more of these. There's a house I cut out. Actually, I'm going to put that with my cut aparts because since I cut them out. More chipboard, those things. Stickers, more chipboard. A tag that from the Embellishment swap. Okay, and after this I'm done again. All right. Okay, so Not as bad as I thought. Here's more tags and stuff that I can slip into my friend's stuff. That way she's got more that she can use for making cards, and I don't have to deal with it. Isn't that awesome? There's another one of those. Did I put those in here? I think so. Except for I can't see them. But I think they're in there. Okay. Okay, here's Coffee and Jesus Flair and a cup. And I'm going to separate the banner from that because I'll use the coffee cup and the flare together. I made that for the, no, actually Sandy made these, I made the flare. Okay. So, and then I have the, oh, here's more fancy little square brads. And I put those away, so I'll have to get those back out. And here's some rhinestones. So those go into this box. And green label. Oh, a little thing if I want to make my thing tea. I have that. This is pretty, she'll like that. Okay. Okay. That's it. And after I get this put away, I'll take a picture of the things, well, that look like they're in their place. I shouldn't have too much sitting out after today, I would think. Okay, well, thank you for joining me again. And tomorrow we will not have to do this again because I know this is it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.